Hi guys, so we'll be solving an O-level past paper question from the year 2015. The session is May-June. This is question number 6. This question is based on money, percentages and exchange rates. So let's start. The question says Yuvraj and Sachin travel to England. Yuvraj exchanges 20,500 rupees and receives 250 pounds. Sachin exchanges 26,650 rupees into pounds at the same exchange rate. How many pounds does Sachin receive? So this is a fairly simple question. You use the unitary method formula, which is that if 20,500 is equal to 250 pounds, then 26,650 is equal to how much? So how do we calculate this? We cross multiply. So x would be equal to 26,650 times 250 divided by 20,500. Let's plug this into the calculator. We have 26,650 times 250 divided by 20,500. This gives us 325 pounds. So we write our answer over here. The next part says Dan goes to a bank to exchange some pounds for euros. He has 400 pounds which he wants to exchange. The bank only gives euros in multiples of 5 euros. Okay. The exchange rate is 1 pound is to 1.17 euro. Find the number of euros he receives and his change from 400 pounds. So basically, if you need to convert 400 pounds to euros, you need to divide it by 1.17. That's the simple method. So you divide 400. You don't need to divide it. You need to multiply it. So when you multiply it, since 1 pound is equal to 1.17 euro, so you multiply this by 1.17, and when you multiply, you get 1.17 times this is 468 euros. Okay, so we have 468 euros, but the part of this question says that the bank only exchanges euros in multiples of 5. 468 is not a multiple of 5, but the closest multiple of 5 near to 468 is 465. So basically he gets 465 euros, but the change that he receives is when you subtract 468 and 465, the change he gets in euros is 3 euros. We need to convert 3 euros back to pounds. So instead of multiplying this time, you divide this by 1.17. When you divide this by 1.17, you end up at 2.56 pounds. So what he gets is he receives 465 euros and the change he gets is 2.56 pounds. So we write our answers over here. 465 and 2.56 pounds. The next part says Christian buys a fridge and a freezer in a sale. The sales offer is 15% off everything and she pays a total of $357. Before the sale, the freezer cost $250. What was the cost of the fridge before the sale? So this is a discounted price for the fridge and the freezer, and this is like 85% of the cost price, of the actual price. So what you do is if 357 is 85% of the original price, then we need to find what the 100% is before we subtract the freezer cost from it. So we find the value of x. We do 357 times 100 and we divide this by 85. Let's see what we get. So 357 times 100 divided by 85 gives us $420. This is the actual price before the discount. So what we have to do is from 420, if we subtract the cost of the freezer, which is 250, we'll be left with the cost of the fridge. So 420 minus 250 gives us $170. That's the price of the fridge. So we write it over here, 170, and we're done. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.